Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. My name is Britt, and today we're going to be playing with the new Candy Dips gel liquids. I'll be using the color Magic, which is a solid pink color on a medium coffin tip. We're going in with the gel base directly on the nail, making sure to do a thin, even layer. Make sure that there are no bumps or bubbles or anything like that in your gel, and then I'll be laying flat directly into the powder. I'll tap off any excess powder, and then that will go into your UV lamp for 60 seconds. Once that comes out of the lamp, you will brush off any excess powder, and then we will go in for a second layer of gel base. Again, you will keep this layer very thin. This is a thicker gel, so you want to control how much excess you have on your brush and really work it into the nail. That way you aren't adding too much gel, which is going to add too much bulk right off the get-go, which you do not want. But having a thicker gel is great because it self-levels really, really well. So I'm taking my time, making sure there are no bubbles or any patchiness, and that it's all even. And then for this layer, I'm going to pour over. So with gel, you can lay flat or pour over your powders. If you're laying flat, you're going to be extra cautious just to make sure that you don't move those gels around. Pour over is generally preferred for this method, but you can play around and see what works best for you. I'm just pouring over here until I'm satisfied with how much powder has absorbed into that gel base, and then that will also go into the lamp for another 60 seconds. And once that comes out of the lamp, I will brush off any excess again, and then we were going to do a little bit of shaping and filing. So with gels, you don't need a layer of activator. The UV lamp essentially cures this for you, and it acts as your layer of activator to harden all of your powders and liquids, so you can go right in and file and shape and buff. Since this was a solid color, I'm not going to buff across the surface. It's very, very even. And then this layer of gel that I'm adding here is even further going to level everything out, so you don't have to do too much filing and shaping. So again, a layer of gel base, and then this will go into the lamp for 60 seconds. I wanted to mention that you do not need a layer of clear dip here when you're using gel liquids. Gels and clear dip powder do not play well together, so you're essentially using the gel base and your gel top coat to replace your clear dip layer. So now that the gel base has come out of the lamp, I'm going in with a layer of the diamond gel top coat, making sure that this is nice and even. I like to float my gel top coat across the surface just to make sure that it gets a nice even coverage, and that will give you the perfect glossy, juicy top coat look that you're wanting. And then you'll see once I've kind of floated that layer on there and making sure it was even, I'm going to swipe through and take a little bit of the excess off so you don't have too much extra gel on your nail. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to hang the nail upside down just to let that gel pull a little bit from the sides, and it'll create a little bit more of a natural apex and keep the liquids from welling up at the sides of your nail. And then that will also go into the lamp for 60 seconds. And once that comes out of the lamp, you have a gorgeous, shiny, smooth, delicious, glossy nail. You can repeat these steps for the rest of your nails as well, and then you will have a full set of gel nails. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so I can see you around for future videos. Bye guys.